where the Chief Minister has launched a war on the Calcutta High Court. Days after over 25,000 appointments of teachers were declared null and void owing to a scam in their recruitment, Mamata Banerjee has once again lashed out at the Calcutta High Court, but this time she has crossed a line and entered the tricky territory of criminal contempt. Mounting an all-out attack on the Bharatiya Janata Party, Mamata Banerjee has accused them, that is the BJP, of purchasing the Calcutta High Court. She has also alleged that the Calcutta High Court has become a Tirtha Kendra of the BJP, given how often they go there and how often their prayers get answered by the Calcutta High Court. In an all-out attack, the TMC Supremo alleged that the BJP has bought the BSF, the CBI, the NIA, and has also changed the color of India's national channel, Doordarshan, from blue to saffron. That's not a claim, that has actually happened.
আমি সুপ্রিম কোর্টের কথা বলছি না, সুপ্রিম কোর্টের কাছে এখনো আমরা বিচারের আশায় আছি। এরা হাইকোর্ট কিনে নিয়েছে, এরা সিবিআই কিনে নিয়েছে, এরা এনআইএ কিনে নিয়েছে, এরা বিএসএফ কিনে নিয়েছে, এরা সিএপিএফ কিনে নিয়েছে। দূরদর্শন দেখবেন তার রংটাও গেরুয়া করে দিয়েছে। শুধু বিজেপির কথা বলবে আর মোদি কাবাদ বলবে, আর আপনাকে শুনতে হবে। দেখবেনই না, বয়কট করে দিন।
It is this soundbite, ladies and gentlemen, that has landed Mamata Banerjee in deep trouble. A plea has been filed by a left leader against her for criminal contempt of court. The plea has been filed by the TMC's foe in the state but ally at the centre, the CPI. One of their MPs, also an advocate, Bikash Ranjan Bhattacharya, is the one who's gone to the Calcutta High Court. He has alleged that this soundbite is a criminal contempt and that Mamata Banerjee essentially is attempting to ridicule the judiciary. Now, ladies and gentlemen, Mamata Banerjee's dwindling faith in the High Court and its judgments comes from recent setbacks in election season. First, the Calcutta High Court transferred the Sandesh Khali case to the CBI despite the TMC's opposition. And then the High Court followed it up with dismissing 25,000 teachers appointed by the Mamata government. Let's not forget, it was Calcutta High Court Judge Abhijit Gangopadhyay who had ordered a CBI probe in the West Bengal SSC scam, essentially the teachers' recruitment scam. Then he quit his job at the High Court this poll season and promptly joined the BJP to fight the election, therefore raising many questions about the judiciary and its independence. But in this case, has Mamata Banerjee crossed a line? Dr. Avra Sen is spokesperson of the BJP joining us on the broadcast. Dr. Rijju Dutta is spokesperson of the TMC, and Sanjay Hegde is a senior advocate. Sanjay Hegde, I'm coming to you first. I'll go to the politicians later, but first to you as a lawyer. To your mind, has Mamata Banerjee crossed a line? You've heard what she said.
Well, there is one reference to the Calcutta High Court, along with several other institutions, CBI, this, that, and the other. The court is the ultimate guardian of its own contempt. Mr. Bikash Bhattacharya, if I'm not mistaken, was the gentleman who's complained to the Calcutta High Court.
Correct.
Right? You must also remember that he was the former CPIM mayor of Calcutta, and he was also the senior under whom Justice Abhijit Gangopadhyay practiced law. So there are more factors than one in the filing of the petition, of the contempt petition. Whether the court will choose to take it up or whether the court will say our shoulders are broad enough, etc., I will not hazard a guess. But suffice it to say that there have been other chief ministers who have also complained about their high courts. Jagan Reddy complained about a particular chief justice, and then there was a transfer, but the judge concerned did end up is currently a Supreme Court judge. There have been at times, shall we say, unpleasantries at the High Court level between the Chief Minister and the judges of the High Court, or even the Chief Justice of the High Court. But normally they do get sorted out at the Supreme Court level. Whether this is contempt,
Okay.
I would not want to hazard a guess on which way the judiciary in Calcutta will go.
Let's see, because this is not just an unpleasant situation. This is a situation where the chief minister, the sitting chief minister of a state, is accusing the High Court of her state of having been purchased by the opposition in West Bengal, which is the BJP, of course, in power at the center. So that's why I ask you the question whether a line has been crossed here, whether this is contempt. But Dr. Rijju Dutta, I
just
understand.
one more,
You may not.
Shreya, just 1 minute. 1 minute.
Yeah.
There were communist leaders earlier who called judges of the High Court as enemies of who practice class warfare. The courts have deprecated it, but have not punished them. These are reported judgments of the Supreme Court. That's all I want to say. Thank you.
All right. Dr. Rijju Dutta, the Calcutta High Court may have broad shoulders, may not have broad shoulders when they are deciding this case. But the point is, where was the need for Mamata Banerjee to cross the line? You don't like the Calcutta High Court for what it has done in the last month and a half. I understand that. You may feel that their judgments are politically influenced. Perhaps you may feel that, rightly or wrongly. But for a sitting chief minister to go and say that the entire Calcutta High Court has been purchased by the BJP?
Let me go by one by one. Sanjay Hegdeji very classically he described the relationship between ex-judge Abhijit Gangopadhyay and Mr. Bikash Ranjan Bhattacharya. I will add a little bit more. Bikash Ranjan Bhattacharya, a lawyer himself, was the same person who gave slogan against Honorable ex-judge Mr. Lala of the Calcutta High Court. He was the Chief Justice then, that Lala Bangla Chere Pala. And now he's filing a plea against the Chief Minister of Mamata Banerjee as the criminal contempt of the Calcutta High Court. So it is a farce and the hypocrisy of the highest level. First. Second, why Mamata Banerjee has been forced to talk like this? I'll tell you. The leader of opposition, Shubhendu Adhikari, from Honorable Judge Mr. Rajshekhar Mantha's court, has got a Raksha Kavach that even if he commits murder, hypothetically, even if he goes and shoots somebody, the police cannot arrest him. They have to go to the court and seek permission to file an FIR against him. Can you imagine? Secondly, this particular order of 25,000 students losing their jobs, the CBI who's investigating this matter, the CBI has submitted a charge sheet to the Calcutta High Court that we have found discrepancy in 5,000 odd students. 5,000 out of 26,000. Now, my question, Shreya, to you is this. Say, for example, 100 patients have gone to a doctor, out of which 20 are suffering from cancer. Well, if the doctor says all 100 should be given chemotherapy, so either he does not know his profession, he does not know medicine, or he has some commission game with the chemotherapy companies. That is why the bottom line is, Abhijit Ganguly, a sitting judge of the Calcutta High Court, when he was a judge, he himself in a press conference to the media said, I was in contact with the BJP. So a judge himself, please tell me why he won't be prosecuted by the law when he is saying that I was in contact with the BJP when I was a sitting judge. So with all this together, what do you expect the chief minister to say? What kind of injustice is happening in Kolkata, in Bengal, on the people of Bengal, just out of sheer political vendetta? BJP has saffronized everything.
Okay.
And
so you are saying,
the chief minister is forced to say
so
that
you are saying the judiciary has been. Okay. So you are saying Rijju Dutta, as official spokesperson of this show, that the BJP has saffronized many institutions, including the Calcutta High Court. That the Calcutta High Court is taking calls from the Prime Minister's office and the Home Minister's office. On which way judgment should go. That is what you are saying essentially.
No. What I am trying to say is, I am not saying that the BJP has saffronized or purchased the Calcutta High Court. The chief minister has said what she has said and everybody knows. I am saying this. that before this judgment was delivered, on Monday, Saturday, the leader of opposition of BJP, Shubhendu Adhikari, said there will be an explosion from which the West Bengal government cannot recover. How does he know this? Is the judiciary sending them their order to the BJP before pronouncing the order, or is BJP sending a write-up on which the judiciary is pronouncing the judgment? So these are these factors, and it is very, very unfortunate. It is very unfortunate that this is happening in Kolkata. And that is why the Chief Minister of West Bengal, who is responsible for every citizen, every resident of West Bengal, is bound to say what is happening. What is happening in Kolkata? What kind of a judgment is this?
Dr. Dutta,
I've
given you time to explain the Chief Minister's statement. I have to get in the BJP spokesperson also, Dr. Dutta.
No. 10 सेकंड मैं आपसे एक चीज के लिए ले रहा हूं. As per the Indian Constitution, as per the laws of this country, if somebody has worked, whether right or wrong, he has given his labor. You cannot ask him to return the wages. The judgment, I can criticize the judgment. I have the right. The judgment says whether you are right or wrong, you have to give your salary back of last 8 years with 12% interest. Then what do you expect the Chief Minister to say?
Interest, yeah, okay. No, you can question the judgment. But do you have to go and say the BJP has purchased the court and the judge and the entire Calcutta High Court? Anyhow, I'll let Dr. Avra Sen respond. He's spokesperson of the BJP. Dr. Sen, go ahead.
It is extremely unfortunate that a TMC spokesperson is coming live on media and arguing like this. I would corroborate my points with evidences. It was back in 2021 when Justice Bach Committee made a preliminary into the entire matter, and they submitted a report to the Honorable Calcutta High Court that there are large-scale discrepancies in the OMR sheets pertaining to SSC recruitment. It was at this point when the Honorable Justice Abhijit Gangopadhyay ordered a CBI inquiry into the matter. And then CBI and ED later took over the thing, and over 20 to 25 TMC leaders have been arrested till date. It's a large-scale organized crime. TMC has sold these jobs like vegetables in the open market. I tell this categorically. After this, after their leaders were arrested, TMC took the liberty to go to the Supreme Court and ask for a remedy. What the Supreme Court did was, they asked the Calcutta High Court to form a division bench and give a pronounced judgment within 6 months. And that is what exactly has been done by the Honorable Calcutta High Court. The Honorable Calcutta High Court's Honorable Division Bench has stuck to the directions of the Honorable Supreme Court. And it was known. See, the thing is, the affected number of people is not 25,000. It is widely known. The affected number of people in this scam is 23 lakhs. 23 lakhs people had sat for this exam. And if you take into consideration the number of people in their families, at least 2 to 2.5 crore people of West Bengal are directly affected by this large-scale scam by the Trinamool Congress government. It is abhorring when I take this into account that the judgment of the Honorable Calcutta High Court has also mentioned on page number 215 that the Principal Secretary of our state went to the Honorable High Court and produced the cabinet memo and the cabinet note where the cabinet under the leadership of Mamata Banerjee took the decision that the students or the people who got these jobs illegally would be retained in the jobs and taxpayers' money would be spent for this.
No, Dr. Sen,
the cabinet should go to jail.
I've heard
let
you.
Me finish, ma'am. Just let me finish. 10 more seconds. 10 more
You're
seconds.
saying the entire cabinet should go to jail. That is another thing. That is another thing. I'm asking you about the charge that... Suniye, Dr. Sen.
Because they're hand in glove with this corruption.
Okay.
They're hand in glove. And now they're crying foul.
I'm asking you how you respond. Dr. Sen, sun lijiye. Wait a minute. We are not discussing the teachers' recruitment scam. We have done this last week. You know this. You were on the... My question to you, I heard you patiently, but my question to you was about Mamata Banerjee saying that the BJP has purchased the High Court. How do you respond to that? How does the party respond to that?
Yes, exactly.
Because
that is what
Mamata Banerjee has some cause. She has some cause to be unhappy with the High Court.
That is what I was telling, Shreyaji. This is the entire scenario. She might face custodial interrogation. She might herself face arrest. cabinet ministers of TMC government might face arrest. And this has also been categorically mentioned in page number 274 of the Honorable Calcutta High Court's judgment. Then whoever took this illegal decision of creating the supernumerary post should be brought to justice. They should be investigated. In this scenario, the TMC has lost its cool, they have lost their mind, and they are simply attacking the institution of Calcutta High Court. They have no way out of this. They have no way out. And seriously, this is contempt of court, and the court should take cognizance of the matter, and she should be brought to justice. It is not done. The Calcutta High Court is the oldest high court
but
in
your
India.
enemy number
And one more thing. One more
tick.
thing. 5 more seconds. 5 more seconds. Abhishek Banerjee today, Abhishek Banerjee today has commented that Calcutta High Court should cease to exist. Is this acceptable, ma'am? This is serious contempt of court, and they are trying to create a perception that the judiciary is biased, while in reality, they have sold jobs in the open market, and they are the ones who are corrupt. The TMC is the one which is utterly corrupt.
ठीक है. Sanjay Hegde, it is often said that offense is the best form of defense. Is that what is happening in West Bengal? Is the chief minister fearing an imminent arrest in the teachers recruitment scam, which is why this whole thing of CBI under the control of the center, the Calcutta High Court being bought over by the BJP, etc. happening? Do you think that that's where this is going?
I don't know, because 2 chief ministers have been arrested. One just resigned before the arrest, one is still under arrest. Maybe a third is being planned. But what really troubles me is this kind of insinuation or inference that can be drawn that the judgment is being announced by one party just before it is actually pronounced, that there will be a bombshell on Monday. That also is not done. And as far as candidate Gangopadhyay is concerned, he has done great disservice to the Calcutta High Court, because now we do not know whether to call them honorable anymore or just prospective members of parliament. And it's not, as they say, one rotten apple can spoil the entire basket. So you can rest assured that at a higher level, these decisions will be scanned very closely. Whether they are interfered with or not, that is another question.
Okay, so I think what you're saying, Mr. Hegde, is that the TMC and Mamata Banerjee have enough reason to raise questions on the Calcutta High Court. That's what you're saying, right? That's what you're saying. But the fact is, as far as I'm concerned,
they may have had reason. The manner in which they have raised it, there can be questions.
Yeah, even I would agree with you there completely, and I think that's how we'll wrap the show. Maybe the TMC and Mamata Banerjee have reason to hold a grudge against the Calcutta High Court. But has she crossed a line when she says that the entire Calcutta High Court has been purchased by the BJP? To my mind, yes, a red line has been crossed. We'll leave it there for the moment. Thank you, gentlemen. Sanjay Hegde, thank you very much. Dr. Rijju Dutta, thank you very much. And Dr. Sen, thank you very much for joining us here on Mirror Now on our top lead this evening.